All right, here's how you cut an avocado. Knife, go like the long way. Don't go through the sticker. Put the sticker on the side, right? Go like this, like that. So you're gonna come in contact with the pit in there, which is gonna make it easy to drag this knife all the way around, north to south. You get to the stem, take that out because you don't want to eat the stem accidentally. Now what you do is you twist. See, one half is empty, one half has the pit. How do you get this pit out of here? Dig around, dig around? No, you don't. You go like that, you twist, comes out on the knife, right? Just like that. Wipe that off, you don't want to eat the pit. Pit's poisonous. Go like this to cut. Do a crosshatch. Now you have little cubes. Now, if you do have the stem in here, cut a little hole around the stem like that, and go like this, and you take the stem out. Now, take a spoon. Now, if you're taking all of this meat out of here, you can just use the spoon to go around the edge. But if you're going to eat it, then you just dig in like this, and you just eat it like that.
Beautiful.
That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you cut an avocado. Oh, by the way, here's an extra tip.
Pro tip.
Take some soy sauce, if I can find that.
Yeah, buy them in that white bag.
Well, I'm in the white bag. Anyway, never mind. See you later. Have a good day.